Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co and Forex Trading TV daily FX market review for the trading day ending Monday, May 12th. Well, firstly Euro US dollar, and here we see a very small white body candle following two very large black body candles where the sellers were very strongly in control and strongly committed, and they've basically lost that commitment that we saw from those previous two trading days when the market was rejected from above the 138.68 area and around that 140 level. We now have the market trading within the Ichimoku cloud, and therefore we have a neutral market in big picture terms. We also have the market trading below the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, so there is potential for this market to eventually break out to the downside. Now the rally or attempted rally that we've seen here has not eventuated. The market has been contained within the Ichimoku cloud, and I suggest that if the market does attempt to change the trend today to the upside, then we should see resistance coming in around the top of the cloud around this 137.82 level. Now any potential continued sell-off will perhaps result in strong support being seen at the bottom of the Ichimoku cloud around the 137.21 level, and also around 137.11, a previous area of support from the recent swing lows. Moving to the US dollar, Japanese yen, and here we have the market trading down below the Ichimoku cloud and technically just bearish in the fast term and medium term time frames by trading below the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen. The Tenkan-sen is around this 102.19 level, a previous important area, and in the recent past has held as support, and now for this candle today that has finished trading, it is holding as resistance for this market. The Chikou span is within the corresponding price action, so confirming that there isn't any really clear direction in this market, so we will be looking for a potential break down below this support around the 101.70 level, or 101.17, or even possibly 100.74, or a break above the Ichimoku cloud and the 103 level. Now we might not see that breakout anytime soon, but with the market testing below the cloud and then above and then below and above and hovering around, it does suggest that there is quite a bit of indecision in this market. Moving to the US dollar Swiss franc, and here we've seen a continued trend to the upside today, but a very much smaller white body to this candle. The buyers have closed with control, but the amount of momentum that they've made to the upside is very much smaller than the previous day's trading, and it does set this market up for a potential change of trend, and we are at the moment seeing a current doji type candle form on this current candle that is developing. Now that candle hasn't finalized developing yet. Now if there is any continued rally, then we should see strong resistance around the 88.88 level, previous resistance, and coinciding with the top of the Ichimoku cloud. We do have a bullish market in the medium and fast term timeframes by trading above both the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, but corresponding price action is suggesting that there isn't any clear direction in that longer term time frame, so we will be looking for a potential breakout above or below. Move to the Aussie dollar US dollar, and here we see a doji type candle that finalised today's trading. The trend here is actually, it's been quite some time since we've seen a clear direction here in this market. It previously was up at that candle, here an inside day, an outside day, an inside day, and here today an outside day. So the prior trend is up and we have continuation of that, but we have a very small doji type candle, a small body candle, virtually no body to this candle, and that suggests a lot of indecision in this market. And really, with the budget being announced in Australia tonight, it isn't little wonder that we aren't seeing any strong activity in this market at the moment. If this market does come off, then we do have strong support at the Kijun-sen, which is trading around the 93.30 level, so some very solid support there. Further support down below there at the Tenkan-sen at 92.97, and then down below there at 92.78. If the market does attempt to rally, 94 is an important level. We have tested almost to there for a candle a few trading periods ago, and then just above their resistance around the 94.20 level. But technically a bullish market in all three time frames. The Chikou span, however, is not confirming that, so there is some doubt about what we're seeing in the market at the moment, and that's confirmed by these two candles being a very small black body candle and then a doji type candle. So let's wait for some clear direction following the budget. There could be some surprises in the budget. It may not be as draconian as is suggesting, and that could eventually shift the markets later on today.